Hello there, you are here again. Today we are covering data types. Are you excited? Let's see what the data type is. Every value you give to a variable is some kind of data type. For example, as we seen previously, name equals Rick. Over here, there is a data type called string, which is one of many data types. Generally, data types are divided into two categories: primitives or value types, and reference types. In this part, we will cover primitives, and later in this course, we will learn about reference types. We have strings, numbers, Boolean, and undefined. Let us look at each of the data types in action. Here, I am not going to just explain like others, but I want you to explore with me too, which means you're going to find out the types by yourself. How are you going to do it? Well, try to use the type of operator. You don't have to know much about this operator for now. I want you guys to console log out these values using the type of operator and comment if you get it right. Just pause the video, give it a try, and come back. After that, I will show you what we got. Did you get it? Typeof operator helps you define what kind of data type is used in any program. For example, console.log, typeof Rick. And check this out, it says string. A string in JavaScript, they can be double quotes or single quotes, and we can use backticks too. Let's look this with examples. Let string1 equals double quote string, and let string2 equals string with single quotes. This two basically the same thing, but backticks are a little different, as it has extended functionality. Check this two-line of code. What it does is simply give more flexibility. Here this both ways shows the same result, and they both are same thing. Backticks allow us to embed variables and expressions into a string by wrapping them in $sign and brackets. The expression inside dollar and brackets is evaluated and the result becomes a part of the string. We can put anything in there, a variable like name or an arithmetical expression like 1 plus 2 or something more complex. Let's see numbers as data type. Just console.log type of 1. And here you can see it shows data type equal to number. The number type represents both integer and floating point numbers. There are many operations for numbers, for example, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and so on. Besides regular numbers, there are so-called special numeric values which also belong to this data type, such as infinity and nan. Let's have a quick run to this all. We can do all operation in similar manner we do in real life. Console log all this by yourself and see the results. I hope you get the good idea about arithmetic operators in JS now. Moving forward, let's see Boolean. The Boolean type has only two values: true and false. This type is commonly used to store yes and no values in variable. For example, let value equals true. This is what we call Boolean, and we use this in situation where we want some logic. For example, if the box is full, then it needed to be shipped. The value of Boolean can be true or false, and this both keywords are reserved, so you cannot use them as variable in your program. Let's move on to the last two of our primitive data types, undefined and null. You have seen undefined before in this video, and you can tell by its name too that if you don't assign a value to your variable, then it will show the value as undefined. For instance, let name equals nothing and console out log name. Check this out, it says undefined because we did not assign any value to the variable. And even though we can explicitly write name equals undefined, this is not commonly used. Instead of writing undefined, we can write null. And yes, null is also a reserved keyword. So these are the examples of primitive or value data types. We have string, number, Boolean, undefined, and null. In next video we will continue data types with reference types. Share this video and support this channel by subscribing it.